Lecture number 3. Hi, let's get started, guys. Culture, according to E.B Tylor, is that complex whole that includes knowledge, belief, arts, moral, laws, customs, and any other capabilities that man as a member of society may acquire. This is a comprehensive definition that attempts to encompass the rituals that are involved in making a culture. Culture itself has been stratified into high culture and popular or mass culture. High culture is the elite, cultured part of a society that sets the example for actions and beliefs. Those outside this culture are seen as the folk, those who are uneducated, ill-mannered. The elite theory says that the mass culture is manipulated by the high culture, as the mass media, which is the model for mass culture, is controlled by the rich or elite. Marx, however, brings his economic perspective to culture by saying that, in every epoch the ideas originated from the superstructure, from the ruling class, and hence their culture had the most influence as proletariat were forced to think that way. Mass culture is the culture that exists among the masses, the public, the common man. According to various notable sociologists, this culture is most manipulated by the rich. Popular culture is also synonymous to this culture, as it means the culture adopted by the mass. Get complete notes in PDF and book form from our Amazon store. Link given in description.